Go ahead.
Okay, so now I will add some ground cinnamon. And you don't have to add this if you don't want to. I just like the flavor that it brings to the banana bread. Before I wasn't a fan of banana bread, but after I added these ingredients, I became a fan. And I'm adding pumpkin spice. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of nutmeg right here. I'm only gonna add a little bit because pumpkin spice already has nutmeg in it, so just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, so after I've mixed these ingredients, now I'm gonna move on to the wet ingredients. Okay, so now I'm at the wet ingredients. Now, these bananas are already mashed. So, what I'm gonna add first is I'm gonna add some pure vanilla extract. You can use this if you want, you don't have to. And now I'm gonna whisk it. Now I'm gonna add 1 egg. And then I'm gonna add some melted butter. Now this melted butter is about 1/4 cup. And now I'm gonna mix everything together.
I'm gonna pause it. It did.
Okay, so after you've whisked all of your wet ingredients together, now you're going to pour your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. Now you can use a hand mixer or KitchenAid, whatever you have to do this. I prefer to do it by hand, so it's all to your liking. Okay, you guys, so once all of your dry ingredients and wet ingredients are mixed together, now you want to butter your pan that you will be cooking your bread in. Right now I'm just gonna butter the inside. Now, once you have your pan buttered, now you want to add your ingredients. Now right here you see my batter is a little thicker. It's only because for right now I had 2 bananas. So in order to make it more to the best consistency, I would say to have about 3 bananas. So now I'm just going to pour the batter inside of the pan. Okay, now I'm just kind of leveling out the batter, make sure it's spread correctly on each side. And now to complete it so it can go inside the oven, I usually like to use a little bit of cinnamon sugar and cinnamon to put on top just for presentation.